The SteelSeries Arctis Nova 7X wireless headset is a versatile audio solution designed primarily for Xbox gaming but offers broad compatibility across multiple platforms. Its blend of comfort, performance, and multi-platform support makes it a compelling choice for gamers seeking a single headset for various devices. Design and comfort. The Arctis Nova 7X maintains SteelSeries' signature minimalist aesthetic, featuring a durable yet lightweight frame. The adjustable headband and plush ear cushions ensure comfort during extended gaming sessions. Audio performance. Equipped with high-fidelity drivers, the headset delivers clear and immersive soundscapes. The audio profile is well-balanced, catering to both gaming and multimedia consumption. While the default sound settings are satisfactory. Microphone quality. The retractable microphone provides clear voice capture, essential for in-game communication. It effectively minimizes background noise, ensuring teammates can hear you distinctly. The microphone's performance is consistent across different platforms, maintaining clarity whether connected to a console or PC. Battery life. One of the standout features is its impressive battery life, offering over 33 hours of continuous use on a single charge. This longevity ensures that even the most extended gaming sessions aren't interrupted by the need to recharge. Connectivity and compatibility. The Arctis Nova 7X excels in versatility, featuring dual wireless connectivity options, a low-latency 2.4 GHz connection via USB-C dongle and Bluetooth support. This duality allows seamless switching between devices, such as gaming consoles, PCs, and mobile devices. Overall, the SteelSeries Arctis Nova 7X wireless headset stands out as a top-tier choice for gamers seeking a combination of comfort, high-quality audio, and cross-platform compatibility. Its robust feature set, coupled with positive user feedback, underscores its position as a reliable and versatile gaming accessory. Thank you so much.